Hi children, today we are going to start the next lesson. Our second lesson is fun indoors. Fun indoors. Fun indoors. Indoors in the sense inside. Inside a house or okay. And outdoor. Will outside, right? See here, before starting the lesson there is a warm-up activity. Let us see what is that. Look at the shape of the clouds. What do they appear to you as? See, there are some pictures of clouds. Clouds pictures are there, and you can see those pictures. These clouds are looking like some of the shapes, right? Like first one, if you look carefully you can see there it is a shape. It has, that cloud has the shape of elephant, right? An elephant. And next like horse it is there, and next like hen it is there, and next one hen or bird, something hen I think. Next one heart shape is there, and next one rabbit shape, and next waves, like waves. I felt it like this. You just see, read the picture carefully, what shapes you feels like, you just see, okay? And next page, page number 19, let us start the lesson, okay? Listen carefully. See, I am going to read the lesson. Point out your finger on the words, okay? See, our next lesson, second lesson is fun indoors. It was a Sunday morning. Millie and Billy each ate 2 pancakes and drank some milk. Then they helped Mummy to clear away their dishes. See, it was a Sunday morning. Sunday means it is holiday. All the children will be there in the house, and they eat something, and they will play. They will go out for playing, right? And see, it was as it is here. It was a Sunday morning, and Millie and Billy, 2 children, a boy and girl, brother and sister. Okay, Millie and Billy eat 2 pancakes. What are they eat? 2 pancakes, and they drank some milk, and then they helped their mummy. Will you help your mummy? Do you help your mummy for clearing the dishes, or after eating will you do you leave the plates there itself, or will you take it to kitchen? Do you help your mother to clean the dishes? Don't know. Okay. You might have helped your mother. Then they help here, Millie and Billy, they helped mummy to clean away the dishes. And can we go out to play now? They asked. Millie and Billy, they wanted to play out. They wanted to play outside the house. They are asking permission to playing outside the house. It is Sunday, no? Right, Sunday we all go to play outside, right? I'm afraid not. Mummy said, the weather is terrible. Mummy is saying, no, you don't go. I'm afraid. You don't go. Weather is not good outside. Dad, how do you know, Mummy? They asked. Look out of the window and you will see what I mean, Mummy said. See, they asked, how do you know, Mummy? You are saying that the climate is not good. How do you know the climate is not good? Then Mummy said to Millie and Billy, you look outside outside. What is there? You can see the blowing gale. What is there? Looked out of the window. It was blowing gale outside. The wind was howling too. See there, Mummy told them, you see outside, you can see what is there. Blowing wind. Wind is blowing heavily, and the wind was howling sound. When a big loud sound is there, no howling sound. When wind comes, we can hear the sound, loud sound. The howling sound is there, and wind is moving, wind is blowing very fastly. So Mummy got afraid. Mummy is saying, you don't go outside for playing. It is freezing cold outside, Mummy said, so there is no going out for you to today. And it is too cold outside. It is too cold. It may be going to rain, right? It is too cold. So today I am not going to leave you outside for playing. You don't go. Two of you don't go outside for playing. What can we do instead? Billy asked. You can have some fun indoors. Mummy said, just use your imagination. Think of things that would be fun to do indoors and do them. Then Billy asked, by sitting inside the house, inside, what can we do here, Mummy? Mummy said, you do something fun indoors. See, there are some games, right? Indoor games are there, outdoor games are there. Outdoor games in the sense of games we play outside, and indoor games we play inside. Outside we play, what are the things we play? Like cricket, kabaddi, right? Inside we play carom board, ludo, something, right? Mummy said that you do something fun in indoors and use your imagination and think of doing something that would be fun to do indoors and do them. You think and do something indoors, fun indoors there. You play inside the house. You don't go outside. So that is what they said. They started with some drawing and coloring. Millie made a picture of a fairy and Billy made one of witches. They signed their names below the pictures and they plan to do something. Mother is not giving permission to go outside, so they are planning to do something in the house itself, inside the house. And what happened? They started with their drawing and coloring. First what they did, drawing and coloring. Millie made a picture of fairy picture. See, you can see Millie made a picture of fairy and Billy made a picture of witches. Just in the Mantrabadni something you say. See, witches picture is there, and what they did, they signed with their names. Below the pictures you can see Millie. In first picture Millie name is there. Second picture what is there? Billy they have written, right? First picture drawn by Millie. Millie. Who is that? Drawn by Millie. That is a picture of fairy. And second picture drawn by Billy, and that is the picture of, what is that? Witches picture. And they have done many fun indoor games. We will discuss tomorrow or in next class what they have done, what are the indoor fun they have done in the house on that Sunday. Okay. See, today's homework is to read the lesson. Read the lesson completely. Only 2 pages are there. You can read the lesson properly. Read carefully without making mistakes. If you can't read any, if you don't know to read any words, you can take help of your parents. Otherwise, you can ask me in the WhatsApp. Okay, I will tell you. And today's homework is to read the lesson properly. Okay.